guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, my name is Lucia. I welcome you all to today's vlog. Remember to subscribe if you haven't done that, and if you are new here, kindly remember to subscribe and like this video. So today is another day, and it's one of those days that I'm left alone in my house. From now henceforth, I'll be alone during daytime because, as you know, my kids are all in school, and I am catching up with how I'll be coping with the day, and I'm very sure I will catch up. Look who is here, Alvin. Hello, Olivia. Hi, baby girl. How are you? You are fine. Wow, you have come from school. Oh my God. Hawezi jibebea. Alvin, why don't you carry your bag? Wamepewa homework ya kufanya? Which homework? You have been given homework, Alvin. Coloring. Oh my God. Adi? Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Alvin, one like a stick. One like a stick. Two like a duck.
Three like a butterfly.
Uh-huh.
Four like a chick.
And what have you learned, you yourself? Umesema nini leo? Maths?
English. Science.
Yes.
Science.
And do you have homework? You don't have. Which subject?
For doing our clear family.
Nuclear family. And Alvi, which homework do you have? Alvi, color. Let me show. Let me see his book. Simu haiwaki hii simu. Simu hii haiwaki. Let me see Alvin's book. This is for Alvin. Can you see? Yes, and okay, this is Alvin's homework.
Hey, Shawaka.
Friday. Okay, Shawaka. Today is Friday, 10th of January 2025. And this is the first homework for Alvin. And they were told coloring. Color the fruits we eat. A banana and an orange. Only that. Nini? So this is what they have been told to do as the homework. Let me see the other page. No, only this. I'll help him. So we shall do that later on. I'm just here. I was chilling here, and then I had their bus. I went out and then picked them. They are here. Have been here from morning, and so today was a very boring day because we don't have electricity, and I was just here doing my thing, and then now I want to go so now I want to go and prepare something for them to have. Chunga hiyo kitabu Olivia maji. I want to prepare something for them to eat because it's I know they are hungry from lunchtime until now. I know they are very hungry, so let me see what they will eat. Okay, I hope you are doing fine. For me, I've been here from morning alone. Boring, a very boring day. We don't have electricity here, and I've already cleaned the kitchen. Let me show you how it looks. This is how clean it is now. It was very dirty. The dishes were so many, but I thank God I've managed to finish everything. Everything now it's super clean. So without wasting any moment, I think I have bread here. I keep it here. This is bread. I want them to have bread and maybe milk or tea. Okay, so we have bread here and 2 queen cakes. So let me prepare tea for them. When is today? Today is on Friday.
Tomorrow is Saturday.
Okay. So yesterday and today I've been here indoors. I'm trying to catch up staying alone in this house, you know, from morning to evening, just here alone. But I'll be used to it next week. Kiberiti meiona wabi. Next week, is it? Next week I will catch up, So I'll catch up next week. Next week it will be as usual. Okay. So this week I'll just this week has ended, by the way. Imeisha. Hii wiki imeisha. Tomorrow is on a Saturday. That is today. Tomorrow on Saturday. We'll be having this video. Okay. Let me prepare chocolates. Chocolata.
You are drinking chocolate.
Drinking chocolates. This one.
Mom,
Yes.
you're not putting for us to those biscuits.
No, you are going to have tea with bread. Okay, is that fine? You're going to have tea with bread. What did you have today?
We ate
Mm-hmm.
tea
tea.
And our snacks.
And then lunchtime, what did you have?
Ugali and cabbage.
Ugali and cabbage.
Yes.
Okay. And as for me, I had ugali and omena. We cooked omena yesterday night. So the one that was remaining, I had it today. Okay. What do you have to say? Are you shy? How are you guys doing? Today I slept until 12. I started this video at around 3 apple. And now it's 4:30. So today is the last day of the week. Is it the last day of the weekday? Friday. But next week I'll try my best to catch up with you guys with a video after video. Okay? Sawa. So it's 6:40 and I'm preparing rice with beef. This is beef. It's boiling right there. So this is my rice. And someone is here. He has just arrived and he's having a snack. A snack. So my rice is almost ready and the beef is still boiling. It's still boiling. So Mr. Man, how was your day? How was it? It was very good. And what are those?
They are known as cornflakes.
Cornflakes. Are they sweet?
Yeah, they are good for your children.
For my children.
In fact, they are best because if you have small kids who are going to school and they don't like taking tea in the morning, you can prefer giving them these cornflakes. They are very good. This is these cornflakes. Let me show you how they look like.
You serve with milk?
You
Oh,
serve
water?
either with milk or,
Oh.
but me, I prefer eating them like this when they are crunchy.
They are like recipes.
You see, they're known as cornflakes. Me, I take them as a snack. And you can give them to your children in the morning. They are very healthy. And remember, they are GMO free.
GMO.
What does GMO mean?
Well, me, I don't know.
You can tell us there.
General Motors.
I think GMO means those plants that are planted without using soil. Without using soil.
GMO.
Those are the GMOs.
On Google.
For me, I think those are the ones. They are rich in vitamins and minerals. This 1 kg pack goes for like I think 300 and something. Yeah. And this 1 kg pack, this one will last like for, this one goes like for 3 to 4 weeks. Yeah. You just put a little of them
And you have them as a
in a bowl or
waiting for the main meal.
and then now for the kids, a
It's
cup
enough.
of milk. You mix with a cup of milk.
What if I mix with water?
No, it's better you eat them crunchy like this. They don't mix them with water. They are good. I tried them. They tried me. And I loved them.
And you tried each other.
And now I tried it and now
You're enjoying?
I'm enjoying it. Yeah, they are good.
Yes.
So good, so good.
Okay.
You know, the responsibility of a father in any family is to protect or to make sure your family has got plenty of food in the house.
In someone.
And those who are new in marriage, marriage is complicated.
The first years.
The first years, Kwanza, if you rush to get a child, you're in a problem, you girl. Study that guy, study that lady.
Marriage at first stages is very hard.
I'm not saying that you date her for 5 years. Funny, what are you pursuing? Dating for 5 years. What kind of love are you pursuing? So that you date someone's daughter for 5 years.
Imagine that.
Someone's son for 5 years. After those 5 years, you end up marrying someone. Ulikutana na yeye jana, you met yesterday. That is bad though.
That is bad.
Don't let someone to waste all your life.